Good morning, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about non-selective alpha adrenergic antagonists. It includes two drugs like phenoxybenzamine and phentolamine. In phenoxybenzamine is a irreversible non-selective alpha blocker, classically used in pre-operative treatment of pheochromocytoma. So, phenoxybenzamine is an irreversible, non-selective alpha blocker which works on alpha 1, alpha 2, classically used in pre-operative treatment of pheochromocytoma. Okay, it is irreversible means it blocks the alpha 1 receptor irreversibly. Okay, that's why it's used to treat in pheochromocytoma before. Phentolamine is like a phenoxybenzamine but is reversible. It may also be used in pheochromocytoma. Phentolamine is also be used in pheochromocytoma. Okay. Now, what are the effects of non-selective alpha blockers like phenoxybenzamine, phentolamine? These are alpha blockades result in widespread dilation. Vessels are dilated. Okay, when the vessels dilate means hypotension develops. Okay, when vessels are constrict, hypertension develop. Vessels dilate, hypotension develop, causing a decrease in blood pressure. Yes, decrease in blood pressure is hypotension and a reflex tachycardia. Why? Due to baroreceptors. When they feel blood pressure is low, baroreceptors are active, it causes tachycardia. But why not? It increases BP because the baroreceptors works on alpha 1 blockers, alpha channel also. It causes vasoconstriction. So baroreceptors are not able to function here to increase BP, so decrease BP, but tachycardia due to baroreceptor reflex tachycardia occur. Mild increase in cardiac output, it increases mildly the cardiac output. Reversal by epinephrine, epinephrine increases BP, etc. and shock condition we can use. So adverse effect include orthostatic hypotension. When you are lying down, it's okay. When you stand up, then your blood falls into your heart and it causes hypotension. Your blood goes down. It causes orthostatic hypotension. When you stand, you feel vertigo, dizziness. So immediately sit that time. So this is the most common side effect of alpha blockers. Nasal congestion, yes, because due to vessel dilate in a nasal, nose vessels are dilated, it causes edema, so nasal congestion occurs. Ejaculatory dysfunction, sometimes the sperm is not able to come. Some patients who's on alpha blockers, they complain of this ejaculatory dysfunction. What happens? The urethra motility helps to ejaculate the sperm. Due to alpha blockers, the motility decreases. That's why the sperm is not able to ejaculate. Okay, nausea and vomiting are the features. Contraindication in a patient with decreased coronary perfusion. Never ever give alpha blockers. So guys, I already finished with non-selective alpha blockers. If you have any queries, any question regarding this, you can ask me. And if you're new on my channel, subscribe it. And if you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.